This is the activity which is called time management by using time circle. This is very simple activity. We can learn how to manage our time effectively. For this we require some material, like we require few drawing papers, we require few sketch pens, we require one scale, maybe if we can use a protractor. Basically we need to draw one circle. So why we require that circle? Because that circle we will be using for drawing our clock in 24 hours. First of all, we need to reflect on how we are spending our time in 24 hours. So if we look in this, the first activity, which is sleeping. Sleeping is requiring 10 hours. Then eating is requiring 2 hours. Socializing 4 hours. So this way we have to reflect on how we are using our time during 24 hours. Now once we have reflected, what we have to do? We have to draw a circle. That circle needs to be divided into 24 parts. So for this we can do by using either a compass or with the scale. And after doing this, what we have to do? We have to color that area whatever we have earmarked for. For example, in this activity we have earmarked 10 hours for sleeping. Then we are using 2 hours for eating. So what we have to do? We have to color those number of hours with particular paint. Whatever color you like. For sleeping, if you want to use pink, you can use pink. For socializing, if you want to use yellow, you can use yellow color. By using all those colors, you can fill up the entire circle and it should look like this. The entire 24 hours you have colored according to your own choices of designing and color. Now then what you have to do? You have to count in percentage how many percent of time you are using for sleeping, how many percent of time you are using for socializing, how many percent of time you are using for thinking, and then analyze it. Is it okay whatever the time you are spending on that? And then our goal should be what? Our goal should be reducing our sleep and increasing the time for our exercise and reading, etc. So this should be our goal. Our goal is that we should sleep only for 8 hours. Eating time should be reduced by half an hour. Socialization should be only for 1.5 hours, and we should devote the time more for exercises and relaxation. कम से कम 2.5 घंटा हमें रिलैक्सेशन में हमें देना है. Now एक दिन में तो होगा नहीं. अगर हमें 10 घंटे सोने की आदत है तो कल से हम 8 घंटा सोना शुरू नहीं कर सकते. तो हमें क्या करना है? एक डायरी रखनी है एंड डायरी में हमें लिखना है कि yesterday I slept for 10 hours. Now today I will sleep only for 9.5 hours. Then continue it 4-5 days. Like if you reduce half an hour, then within 1 week you should be able to reduce your sleep quota by half an hour and increase quota of your relaxation by 1.5 hour. So gradually you keep on writing the diary, and one day will come, at that time you will be able to successfully reduce the time on your sleeping and increase the time of your thinking and relaxation and exercise. So the difference between the people who are successful and less successful is that the people who use their time very successfully and effectively, they are able to perform better. And I think during the lockdown we have wasted time in sleeping and socializing more. Now we need to improve our academics performance. So we have to plan our time effectively and be successful. Thank you.